During the lockdown, I was stuck at home in my apartment with my partner here in Cape Town. I wasn't able to work in my studio, and in that time, I did a lot of reading about the coronavirus. I was excited when I realized that South Africans had sequenced the genetic code of the coronavirus. This code, made up of DNA, represented by different colored A's, C's, G's, and T's, is the language of the virus. And language is something that I deal with a lot in my art. I often look at African expressions, proverbs, and local turns of phrase as starting points for my work. William S. Burroughs talks about the idea of language as a virus in his trilogy of cut-up books. I've been looking at this idea and also at the language of the coronavirus, which scientists have genetically sequenced in record time. This sequence is made up of about 30,000 letters of DNA. And so I found it apt to write out this language of the coronavirus. With the help of my partner, she read out the 30,000 odd letters to me while I transcribed them using these different colored crayons to make this drawing of the first South African strain of the coronavirus to be sequenced. And I made this drawing using these pencil crayons made by Caron d'Ache called Luminance. They were the best pencil crayons available here in South Africa. But unfortunately, there was only one red and one green pencil available at the shop. And so it was a bit hair-raising, not knowing whether the pencil would last for the whole drawing. But luckily, as you can see, they did, and I was left with these stubs.